and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be continuing our previous video regarding a basic outlook of Yoast SEO, a very powerful and effective WordPress plugin. And this video is going to be an exploration of Yoast SEO, how it works, and we're going to be seeing the basic features that it offers to the users. So let's get started. You can see that we are on the homepage. We are on our homepage of My Yoast, and we're going to be seeing some of the most basic features and how they can help us optimize our website or optimize our SEO knowledge. So we can add a site here to get insights about it, to analyze it properly. And apart from that, we can also improve our SEO skills. So let's just say that if I were to click on this SEO copywriting training, it takes us to the proper training page where it allows us to see the features that it offers. You can get online lessons that make you write awesome copy that ranks. In just 6 to 8 hours, you'll recover all necessary steps from picking your focus keyword to publishing. Now, these are some very powerful lines. They get straight to the point. You can understand what you can gain from watching this training or by going through this training. And you can get it for free, and you can also purchase it. Now, if you have to purchase it, although it is recommended, but if it doesn't have a lot of, it offers a lot of extensive features. And if you're looking for something which is basic and which doesn't require you to purchase the training, you can go with the free one. And it has 5 trial lessons. It's completely free, easy access through My Yoast and Yoast SEO Academy. So you can see that their lessons are very, very, very helpful. And before you even start to learn, they give you a basic idea of what you're going to be learning. What will I learn? What will be included? Time investment and free lesson. Now, you can see that this is a very, very powerful opportunity offered by Yoast SEO, because they not only allow you to go through the training, they also give you a basic idea of what it will be like if you choose to experience it and if you choose to learn from it, and how much time it will take, what will you learn, and what will be included in your course. And this is something that most people are conscious about when they're trying to learn something online, or when they're trying to gain understanding about before they start working on it. So Yoast SEO is very, very helpful in this matter. We know now that whatever training they're going to be offering, they will allow you to see the benefits, whether you purchase it or not, and what will you learn, and how much time you'll be investing, and what will be included in your course. And that's very considerable of them. Now, coming back to our homepage, let's just see that what happens if we want to extend our Yoast SEO. Now, we clicked on the local SEO plugin, and we're going to see what benefits does it offer. Now, a really good thing about everything, or the trainings or the plugins that Yoast SEO is offering, is that it allows you to know what you're going to be jumping into before you start any training or before you install any form of plugin. Now, here we can see that you can get more local customers. So if you have a business, if you have an online business which is concerned with the attention of local targeted audience, this can be a very beneficial tool, and you can use it to grab the attention of your local audience and your local customers to optimize your local outreach as well. And apart from that, if we take a basic look at Yoast SEO, it is a very, very beneficial tool for someone who's running a professional site, whether it's a professional site, whether it's a personal blog, whatever you want to optimize, you can do it with the help of Yoast SEO. And you can purchase this plugin and you can use it to optimize your site or your blog to grab the attention of as many audiences online as you can. And this will not only optimize your online ranking, but also your visibility. It will maximize your visibility. So this is something worth considering. So far, we have some information about how the plugins work and how we can expect to see the trainings or what we can expect from the trainings. So we know now that if we want to add a site, we can also get insights about the site, and we can also go through trainings to see what we can learn, and it will help you polish your SEO skills. So go ahead and use Yoast SEO. It seems to be a very beneficial and very significant tool to optimize one's online presence, and this is an essential thing if you're looking to create and run and manage your own website all on your own independently without any form of help.